Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix advanced options missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, wait until a system called command prompt will appear under the best matched. Once it's here, proceed on run as administrator. Okay, so your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to run the command prompt as administrator. Okay, here you need to type a command which is reagent c space forward slash info. Once you have typed that, click on enter and look at the Windows RE status. In my case, it is being enabled, but in your case, it it says there disabled. That's why you're not getting the advanced options. I mean, advanced setting options. Okay, so how you can fix your advanced options which is missing, how to enable such. Okay, just have to, in my case it is being enabled, that's why I'm getting the advanced options. It's not missing in my Windows, but in your case it will states here disabled. That's why you're not getting the advanced options. Okay, to be clarified. Okay, so here, in order to enable such, in my case this is already being enabled, you need to type for reagent c space forward slash enabled. Okay, type free agent C space forward slash enable and click on enter. The moment you would click on it, this will say states operation successful. Just have to close this window and you need to proceed to your start icon. So at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Once you have opened your settings, wait until it will be ready for you, okay? Now here at the settings window, you need to proceed to system. Next to home, click on it. And here you need to look for recovery. Just have to scroll down and look for it. I can see next to troubleshoot. Click on it. And there you would be able to see recovery options. Just have to go with advanced startup. Click on restart now and check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure you would be able to get the advanced options this time. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.